How to reset your commander level in Rise of Kingdoms. So basically just an explanation, since you will be able to do this on a limited time depending on how long you've created your city. So apparently 6 days will be the time for you to be able to reset your commander. So if your kingdom has been built or created for the past 6 days, the reset button or the reset option for your commander will no longer be available. The only thing you can reset for your commander will be your talents, which is found over here, and then in the top right, which will cost 1,000 gems. But if you want the level reset, which will pretty much give you the totems, the XP books, or everything you use to level up the commander, you won't be able to use this if your commander or your city itself has reached a total of 6 days, which will be the event time. But that's pretty much how you reset commander level in Rise of Kingdoms. Make sure you do it before the limited time event ends. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.